Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. So guys, Halloween is up in just a couple of weeks, the most crazy time of the year. But sometimes getting the Halloween theme can be a little harsh on your pocket and a bit stressful for your mind. But you know what? Getting into Halloween spirit doesn't mean you have to break into bank and buy decoration. Yes, this Halloween save money and earn some extra kudos for creativity by crafting your own DIY Halloween decorations. I have planned 6 very easy projects which I'll be uploading in 2 videos. This one and one more which will be up next week. So yes, stay tuned. And now without much ado, let's begin. So to make the centerpiece, we first need to make some 3D bats like these. To make a bat, you just need a black square paper in any dimension. I have made small bats with 8 cm square sheet, medium ones with 10 cm and bigger bat with 12 cm. This one is in the dimension 12 cm. Now we need to fold it into half diagonally and again. Now we open the second fold. Now fold like this, leaving a small triangle on the top. Now fold this, flip and fold symmetrically. This forms the head of the bat. Now we fold randomly for the wings. First from here, similarly on the other side. Now like this and on the other side, and now last fold like so, and the other side, and the 3D bat is done. Make around 15 of them in mixed sizes. Now I have taken an old vase and I took a bundle of thin scraggly branches. You'll find them easily around your backyard. So put the branches in the vase and we have our bats ready. We just need to glue them on the branches here and there. And that's it. Easy, fun, slightly spooky, and instantly adds the Halloween ambience to your party. So to make this project, we need to make these cute paper balloons. And for the pumpkin and ghostly feel, we are making them in orange and white. So we need to effortlessly blow them from the top and they will easily take such form. And then we insert the fairy lights through the opening. Now to make the paper balloons, we need square sheets of thin papers so that they reflect the light. I have taken white butter paper and orange marble paper in the dimension 15 centimeters. And now follow the steps to make the balloon. And now we make creepy faces with black marker. And it's ready. So now we have these blown balloons. just blow from the top and they look cute. Now we take the string light, insert the light alternatively like so and keep securing with a tape. And they are done. You can create these beautiful dramatic spider webs with just a garbage bag. Start by trimming off the side so that we can cut open the trash bag. Now we'll slit it and it's open now. Now we fold it diagonally. Cut off the extra part. Fold again and again and again. Now we need to cut it from here and make alternate cuts like shown. And a triangle on the top like so, and we unfold the web very carefully. And it's done. Hang them around and that gives you the perfect ambience. So you see how with just a few items you already have on hand, you can set a festive tone in just a few minutes. Do try them out this Halloween and get all the applauses. We have 3 more such Halloween ideas coming up next week. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that video. And that's all for today. See you guys next week. Till then, stay tuned and do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.